Sorry, no intro music, because apparently you cannot make intro music with GarageBand on your iPhone, but here we have two other boxes that are supposed to be here, but I've been waiting for almost 2 months now, waiting as long as this guy for two more toolboxes from Acme Tools that are supposed to go right there. So let's see an update on this garage, and we'll see as far as I'm going right now. All right, just doing an update video on the toolshed slash garage slash whatever you want to call it. It still has an identity crisis right now, and I'm seeing if a couple of these videos would spark any ideas on whether I should make this a Gearwrench garage complete channel on its own, or should I make a Gearwrench garage series on my channel, which might be a little bit better. Still deciding. So mainly I just want to get an update on how I did everything here. We have the cabinets I started off with here. This large piece ended up being connected to all this. I have nice storage space up there. Basically, I'm working off the wall with 2x3s and then leveling it out from there. I'm not making it on a bench and then mounting it up there because I want strength. Yeah, number one, I want strength on the top so I can store wood and store heavy items on the top, long items all the way across. So I'm leaving 6 inches from the top. And also, I don't have enough bench space to be making long cabinets and then mounting up, and my knee is still bad from this guy right here. And yeah, that would be quite heavy to mount the whole section, even small sections at a time. So that's another reason why I'm working off the wall. Every wall has sheetrock doubled up on this side. These two walls actually have sheetrock doubled up, and there is OSB in the back, so it's OSB right here too. So I'm just screwing it right into it. It's plenty strong. This tool shed, if you've been following me on the tool shed saga, it is way overbuilt. And yeah, anything I mount to the wall, it could practically, I hung myself, I could do pull-ups off of that. So definitely super strong. And yeah, made some cabinets over here. Got a cabinet drawer. All right, these are a little difficult to open right now because I don't have any hardware on them. I have a couple samples of aluminum pieces from Home Depot that I will be testing out to see if it's going to work out for me and work out for the cabinets as well. Something to kind of match this, not all the way, but something close. And I chose a laminate covered particle board for the inside of here just to make it easier to clean out. Same thing on that one. These are soft close, turned out pretty nice. Bench turned out pretty nice. I have wooden flooring. This stuff is made in Germany. Looks like cheap stuff from Home Depot. It says made in Germany, so yeah, it's good stuff here. Want the top to last a while, and it looks nice too. I'm gonna have some other aluminum railing right here at the end when I'm done with everything. And I used some Robert's Resilient flooring adhesive on it. It stays tacky, and it's been working great so far, adhering to MDF right there. So that's pretty cool right there. Basically want to make everything closed off to prevent dust from getting in. Nice and clean look. And yeah, just working my way all the way. And yeah, little by little, it's coming alive. And yeah, it's getting there. Gonna be lots of orange here. Don't know if I want to do the cabinet doors orange. And definitely everything else is gonna be black. So I gotta do a lot of painting as well. So yeah, that's how it's coming along right here. Pardon the mess, pardon the lack of videos, but just wanted to give an update on how everything is going. And once again, guys, thank you for watching, and on to the next.